In this video, I'm going to teach you how to create a table of contents in Google Slides with clickable links. This simple but powerful feature makes navigating through your presentation effortless, perfect for when you have multiple sections and want your audience to jump directly to any topic. Let's begin by opening Google Slides. Head over to the homepage in your web browser. If you're not signed in, use your Google account credentials to log in. Once you're in, click on blank to start a new presentation, or choose an existing template if you already have one ready. Now that your presentation is open, add a new slide for your table of contents. And it's best to place this slide right at the beginning so your viewers can immediately see what's coming up. Click plus new slide, then give it a clear title, type table of contents. Under the title, list out the main sections or topics your presentation will cover. You can use bullet points or numbered lists, whichever fits your style best. For example, introduction, research findings, case study, and conclusion. Keep the section names short and descriptive. Next comes the fun part, making each title clickable. Highlight the first section title, go to the top menu, click insert, and choose link. A small dialog box will appear. From there, select slides in this presentation. Choose the slide number that corresponds to that section and click apply. Repeat the same process for every other item on your list, linking each one to its respective slide. Once done, you'll have a fully functional clickable table of contents that allows viewers to jump directly to any section with a single click. And that's it. You've just created an interactive, professional table of contents in Google Slides. It helps you stay organized and makes your presentation more user-friendly and engaging. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more Google Slides tutorials. I will see you in the next video. If you have any question, feel free to ask anytime in the comment section in the below. Till then, stay safe. Happy slide making.